This is the feeds and speeds calculator for milling, which calculates your optimal machining parameters for milling operations. Let's walk through each input field. First, you'll select your material type from the drop-down menu, which includes aluminum, mild steel, stainless steel, brass, and plastic, each with their recommended SFM ranges shown. For this demonstration, I'm not selecting a specific material. Next, enter your cutter diameter in inches, then input your surface feet per minute or SFM value. The number of flutes field requires a minimum of 1 flute. Finally, enter your chip load in inches per tooth. For our example, I'll input 10 for the cutter diameter, 10 for surface feet per minute, 10 for number of flutes, and 10 for chip load. After clicking Calculate Milling Parameters, we get 3 critical outputs. The RPM calculates to 4, which is your spindle speed in revolutions per minute. The feed rate shows 381.97 inches per minute, telling you how fast to move your cutting tool. The material removal rate displays 381.972 cubic inches per minute, indicating your productivity rate. Find the link in the description below.